Hi guys, welcome to Share Vision channel. Today I am going to explain about Reddington India Limited. I found this stock was strong fundamental and technical analysis, so that I selected this stock for a today topic. So this is right time to invest these stocks because of it is very strong fundamental and technical available in these stocks. So I hope this stock is the best stock for the short term and long term investment. I think this is a good opportunity for us. Let's go now. Detailed analysis we can go through one by one. Before that, if you are new person, please subscribe our channel and also watch this till the end. Then only you can get the good idea. Don't skip this in between. Otherwise, you cannot able to get the full details of these stocks. Let's go now. Watch it. Disclaimer: I am not a SEBI registered person. I am sharing for this knowledge purpose as well as educational purpose of this video. So let's go now directly to the video. So Reddington India Limited, about the company. This company having a several subsidiaries in worldwide, especially South Asia and Middle East and Turkey and Africa. This is company supply chain management of IT and non-IT products in various uh, countries, as well as the company distribution recently started mobile handset and accessories in Nigeria and in India also some territory parts. Apart from distribution, the company supports service of IT hardware and mobile phones. And also this company was started, that means founded by Ramanathan Srinivasan on May 2nd, 1961. This company headquarters in Chennai in India. The company main major part is supply company computer peripheral equipments, softwares, electronics and telecommunication equipments and parts. The company is operating from India and overseas segments. Let's go now the detailed analysis of fundamentals. First I am taking a price and volume. See here, price last 3 years 77.94% increase, and also past 1 year 165.72% increase. Year to date 66.23, and 3 months basis 20.08, 1 month basis 22.25. So 1 week basis 19.59. Also volume also increased. Yesterday, that means Friday 28th May 2021, the volume is 24 lakhs. Before that 10 lakhs. After that 11 lakhs, 6 lakhs. So it is increased day to day basis and monthly basis. It is increased the volume. So depend upon this volume and price action is very good movement in upper segment, upper circuit, upper going to upper movement in the stocks. So we can go through the other part of this fundamental, especially ratios. Basic EPS is, it is showing 19.44. Compared to last year, it has been 6% is increased. 6 rupees has increased. So last year 13.24, now 19.44. Diluted EPS is 19.40. Last year 13.24. And book value is compared to other last year and other 4 years. It is the first increased. In this year was increased 136.35. Last year 120. The negative thing is only dividend share is not available. Last year 4.30. So last 4 years the company has been given the dividends, but March 21 the company does not announce any dividend. This is the only negative point of this company. Let's go now. Next is return on ratio. So return on equity 15.33 percentage. So compared to last year 11.99. Other 4 years also compared to other 4 years, this year is increased 15.33. So good return on equity is now we can able to see here. And also ROC is 23.17. Compared to last year it is increased now. And also return on asset is compared to last year now increased. So almost most of the things are increased last compared to last year to in this year. So this company is now strong fundamental basis available. So we can go through the next is growth ratios. The growth ratios last 3 years CAGR sales is percentages 17 percentage compared to last year 11 percentage, uh, before that 14 percentage, and 2018 is 14 percentage. Only the March 2017 is 21 percentage. So last 3 years compared to this year is increased. So we can conclude this, it is strong performance of this year. So and 3 years net profit also increased compared to last year. See 5.83 now against to 27.43. So compound annual growth rate in net profit is increased 27.43. So we can able to see here strong fundamental stock in the stock. And fundamentals of valuation ratios. See price to earning ratio is 9.82 compared to last year 5.18, compared to before that 8.01, and now 9.82. So last compared to last 2 years, this year is increased. Same PB ratio 1.50. So usually PB ratio 1 to 3 is right condition. Now it is 1.50 is okay, we can able to say okay. So EBITDA margin is 3.29 compared to last year 2.98. So P by S, price per sales ratio 0.13, last year 0.05. So lot of things are improved and increased in this stock. So we have to keen monitor in the step for strong fundamental of analysis. So next is liquidity ratios. Current ratio is 1.53. So last year 1.41. So compared to now, it is very good performance. Quick ratio also 1.20. Compared to last year, it has been increased. So margin ratio, growth profit margin 2.52, and operating margin 2.26. Net profit margin is 1.38. Compared to last year, it is been increased. So all the things are very nice and very increased, increased year on basis. So we can able to see here strong fundamental stock. And also recently released yesterday, that means May 28 2021, the Reddington consolidated March 2021 net sales at rupees 15,503.95 crore, up that means 22.4 percentage year on year basis. So this is a very positive news for this company. So leverage ratios, debit to equity is very important for each and every company. Now this company is very much decreased their debit to equity compared to last 4 years. See here, March 2020 0.59, and March 2019 0.33, March 2018 0.41, March 2017 0.48. Compared to last 4 years, this company was now very much reduced 0.09. See here the chart analysis of this company very much reduced here, showing here. And interest coverage ratio also compared to last 4 years now increased 8.25. So I hope this company will be the good one of the fundamental stock, I think. And this company turnover ratio is, asset ratio is 391.19. Inventory ratio turnover is 19.62. This is compared to last year was increased. And now the shareholding is the main part. The promoter shareholding not available in the stock, that is the very drawback. But even though foreign investor 42% with hand, and domestic investor 42.21% increase, and 15.8% in public hand. So this is the only drawback of this company. And now the company technical indicator what says the strong buy is showing now. So we can wait for next technical analysis. My best favorite technical analysis, now the company is showing a symmetrical triangle pattern formed in last week. Now the company yesterday, that means 28th May 2021, it was ran very much highly traded and gap up opening, and it has been break out the at 2010 lifetime high is the 2000 lifetime high is 210.15. Now the company traded at closed trading closed at 29219.75. So this is showing the company going to be boom and multi-bagger. This company going to be very much strong performance of the this year. I think the company will be the right time to we have to invest in the stock and monitor, keen monitor. The I am saying here, I told all the things of fundamental and technical analysis. Now decision is yours, and take care and all the best. You can select the stock for long term or short term. This is in your hand. Okay, anyhow, that's all guys. I hope this video is understand for you everyone and enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and support to me and press the like button. Thank you. Next video we can see.